Belina me ke aloha, I'm Kumaile coming to you from Kahalehuaka, the island of Molokaʻi. Our MANAʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is ka ʻike a ka makua he hei nā ke keiki. Let's say it all together, piece by piece. Repeat after me, e hoʻopili mai. Ka ʻike a ka makua he hei nā ke keiki. And that translates to the knowledge of the parent is unconsciously absorbed by the child. So as makua, whether we're aunties or uncles or parents or guardians or whatever we might be, if we are in charge of taking care of keiki, it is so important that we create an environment that is healthy, we say words that is healthy and nurturing to that child, we give them tons of love, and we challenge them in healthy ways. So let's say it all together from the top. Oia, ka ʻike a ka makua, he hei nā ke keiki. Maikaʻi. Our Ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is how to say I love you in ʻōlelo Hawaii. E hoʻopili mai, repeat after me. Aloha wau ya ʻoe. It's a short and sweet one. Aloha means love, wau, I, ya ʻoe, to you. I love you. Let's do it all together from the top. Aloha wau ya ʻoe. I want you to use that one starting keʻi ala today. Ahui ho malama pono.